Hey, so just want to do a quick testimonial. This is the Ulanzi GoPro holder, or you can actually mount the cell phone to it or whatever. I really like it. It just sits there right around the neck, set it up, can be able to have that. I do a lot of power washing videos and things for a company, Clean Power Wash, and so to be able to just set this up. I know it may look goofy or whatever, but it looks way less goofy than when I've got like the big elastic bands and whatnot around it. It's really simple and easy. I'm gonna take it off. Hey, I got to get a close-up of some area, I can do that. Easy to go around. A lot of times, especially this time of year, I'm usually wearing a hoodie. I can just tighten and adjust it, and then there's also a quick release button. So if I need to take this off, I'm doing a video and I want to switch around, so I'm like showing myself here, hey, what's going on, y'all? I can do that really nice and easy. So check it out. It's really not that expensive. I like it. It is nice and rugged and durable, and I can kind of fold it all up and be able to fit this whole thing inside my jean pocket pretty nicely. It does also travel pretty well as well on that. So it's been a great thing, and I really do like it over the chest harness. So